This is one of the storage buildings that we found that can be a storage conversion to tiny home conversion. It's kind of cute and spacious. We'll go in the front and look at it and show you everything. It's a Cotton State barn. It's here in Anniston, Alabama. Has a really nice deck all the way across the front of it, and as you go in the front you can see the paper with the details on it. Cash price $11,495. Total cash price after sales tax $12,649. That's a lot of sales tax in this place. It's a 14 by 32 Pioneer cabin. Yeah, I guess you can get this anywhere that Cotton State Barns has a place, but this is just the price they have on this particular Pioneer cabin. And on one side you've got plenty of room to have a full living area with a kitchen set up, and then on the other side of the front door I would say that you could have your bathroom and your bedroom very easily. And I would think that this would be a good economical choice for homesteading, or for if you want to build a house on land, you can temporarily live in this, or you can turn it into an Airbnb. So there's lots of possibilities. Okay, that's that one. Thank you. Okay, here's another one. This one's called the Lofted Pioneer. So it has a barn style design with double lofts at the top. This one is a little bit on the smaller side of the last one I just showed you. It's also a Pioneer, but lofted. So you get the loft and you get the front porch, which is still a decent sized front porch. Then you go in, and on one side you have this room with a couple windows, and then you have a loft up above with a nice little hexagon light. And this is again a Cotton State barn. You can look them up online, and it'll tell you more info. And then this is what it looks like on the other side, and you also have another loft above that. For tiny house living, if you don't mind loft, there's two lofts in this one, identical. So there's plenty of room, and there's like this, I guess you can say, a little crawling area you can get to from one loft side to the other. And so that's that one. And this one is actually a 14 by 24. And here's the information on that. It's Cotton State Barns. The cash price on this one is $10,695. It's a 14 by 24 lofted Pioneer. And this is the example of the rent to own, I guess. But I would not buy it at this particular place because the sales tax is 10%. All right, we're back at Cotton State Barns. This is a 16 by 40 shed, but could be a tiny house. It's rather large. It is really large. 40 foot. 16 foot by 40 foot, that's pretty nice for a cabin. And here's all the space it has. It's pretty large and deep. I would think if you were to drive a car in it, you could have two cars in here parallel, because it's 40 foot long and the average garage is 20 foot. It just calls it the Cotton State Barn 16 by 40 cabin, and the cash price is $13,995. $1,275 without sales tax, depending on sales tax in your area. And here's a rough estimate of what the rent-to-own prices would be. But that sales tax is 10%, so you might be able to find it somewhere else a lot cheaper. And it says it has a 5% refundable security deposit of $699.75 if you decide to rent to own this. But it's very, very delightful, very huge. You could very easily put your bedroom in the back, or even two, with a bathroom, and in the front you can have your dining room, living room, kitchen combination. With all this space, it's very possible. And it's not so tiny, I guess. Okay, thanks for watching.